On behalf of the Citizens Coalition for Change political party led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa, the party's vice spokesperson Gift Ostalos Siziba announced that they have filed an appeal in the Supreme Court against the High Court's ruling on the alleged fraudulent recall of their representatives. The appeal suspends the High Court's decision, meaning that the status quo is maintained until the Supreme Court has made a ruling on the matter. Ostalos Siziba stated that the CCC's position remains unchanged and unwavering. He emphasized that Tshabangu'S is neither a member of the CCC party nor its interim secretary general, as such a position does not exist within the party. Gift Ostalos Siziba wrote that we have noted an appeal in the Supreme Court against the High Court's ruling on the fraudulent recall of the people's representatives. The effect of the appeal is that it suspends the decision of the High Court. Our position remains unchanged and unwavering. Tshabangu is neither our member nor interim Secretary General because such position does not exist in our environment. In response to Ostalos' statement, there were a range of reactions from people all over Twitter. Some people expressed support for the Citizens Coalition for Change's decision to file an appeal, while others were skeptical about the outcome of the case. Some people questioned the Citizens Coalition for Change motives, while others expressed concern about the impact of the ongoing legal battle on the country's political stability. We'll look at some of the comments that followed Gift Ostalos Siziba's tweet yesterday. Scramble wrote that politics in Zimbabwe is rubbish. We have kids playing games with millions of us. This needs to be condemned by any right-thinking Zimbabwean. Another ex-user by the name Toroxi stated that why is the party not joining in and setting the record straight? Go independent period, let's see what it's going to do. We all know it was going to come to this. Last night I had a dream battling this issue with a group of MPs who were recalled again, and I was challenging the other person saying, whom do you think you are? So, who is the legit occupant of the office carrying out the duties of the SG? Honorable Gift Ostalos on High Court was clear that President Nelson Chamisa and at CCC Zimbabwe must be cited in court papers so that they respond via affidavits to clarify that Tshabangu is an imposter. I hope the error has been corrected. Hi, my brother. Why is Nelson Chamisa or CCC itself not at the forefront defending its own MPs and disapproving Tshabangu's role? I have high regard for you, Ostalos. Please explain to me why the party and Nelson Chamisa are not party of this case. Explain in very layman terms here, should it not be the party that says, I, CCC, do not know him, I know Mr. Chimut. How come there's a group calling it a CCC Youth League when you don't have structures and such things? Are you operating as some secret cult or a people's grouping? Every party spokesperson position does not exist in an Wapusa movement. Why is the Citizens Coalition for Change participating in these by-elections in the first place? Did ZEC register any reforms as per SADC recommendations? Where are your principles? You guys will never learn. These are some of the comments that followed Gift Ostalos Siziba's tweet yesterday. And in addition to the appeal, it is worth noting that some of the Citizens Coalition for Change members of parliament who were recently recalled had already filed their applications at the nomination court to contest in the upcoming by-elections in Zimbabwe. The Citizens Coalition for Change's decision to file an appeal could potentially disrupt the by-elections and cause further uncertainty. This latest development adds another layer of complexity to the already complex situation in Zimbabwe. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.